escape. I'll go anywhere with you. Just wrap me up in chains. But if you try to go alone, don't think I'll understand. Stay with me. Stay with me. In the silence of your room, in the darkness of your dreams, you must only think of me. There can be no in-between. But when your pride is on the floor, I'll make you beg for more. Oh, stay with me. Stay with me. Better hope and pray that you wake one day in your own world. You better hope and pray that you make it safe into your own world. 'Cause when you wake at night, they don't hear you cry in your own world. And only time will tell if you can break the spell in your own world.
The fuck was that?
That was hilarious. I loved it. That was awesome. I loved the pause. And it was like, okay.